Oh, wow.
So this one was an Atlantic spotted dolphin. We should have the bigger group around here, okay? Dolphins are really social animals and they live in pods. You can go to the front. Go ahead to the front. You will see them both right now. So we have some bottlenose dolphins. So we have two different ecotypes of bottlenose dolphins in the coast of Tenerife. The ones living close to the shore are called the coastal bottlenose dolphins. They are smaller in size, they have lighter coloration, and they live in smaller pods than the bottlenose dolphins that live offshore, the oceanic bottlenose dolphins. Woo! These jumps can be a way of showing up. You know how males are? Instead of going to the gym, the dolphins, they jump out of the water to prove how strong they are and the muscles that they have. So it's like a call for the female. Look how big I am, you should mate with me. So we want to thank you for choosing this way to see the animals in the wild. Sometimes you need to be patient, but it pays off. Pilot wheels can go up to 4 or 5 meters for the females. Males are bigger, they can go up to 7. In this group we have several females with their juveniles, with their calves. So we have to leave them because we have to get to the area of the spotted dolphins because they were faster. Let's go for the Atlantic spotted dolphins. Come.